comparing structures of large macromolecules and simpler structures. So first we're going to talk about silicon dioxide. Now it is a macromolecule compound which occurs naturally as sand and quartz. It is a tetrahedron and it is formed with one silicon atom, as you can see here, with four oxygen atoms. It is hard and it has a high boiling point. Then we have graphite. So graphite has a shape of a hexagonal shape and it has one free electron. Now because of the one free electron, it can conduct electricity, has a high melting point, it is soft and slippery. Then we have iodine. So iodine is a non-metallic nearly black solid at room temperature and has a glittering crystalline appearance. The molecular lattice contains discrete diatomic molecules, as you can see that it is a diatomic molecule, which are also present in the molten and the gaseous states. Then we have methane. Now methane has a tetrahedral structure and it has four pairs of bonding electrons.